How to change delivery name at checkout on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the delivery name at checkout on Ecwid. First open your browser, and now once you're here click shipping and pickup, and here we'll find free delivery and or any other delivery. Just click edit and then scroll down until you find here name at checkout. Now just type any name you want here, and that's it. Now click save and then go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.